everybody. We thought we'd come up and show you another camper. This is the East-West Ahara 390DS. So far, I think this is definitely our top choice.
Yes, I believe we found it.
Yeah.
And this is a 2025.
Yes,
correct?
This is the 2025. Actually, just got here on the lot. We had to ask someone to come open it up for us because we've been trying to find it to look at it. So let's walk through it.
Okay, we'll do it as if we're just walking through.
To walk in, obviously you walk into your kitchen area. Typical layout, your big island in the center with your single dish deep sink. Love the farm sink. Drawers, cabinets, big open space. Love the ability to move around with stuff. Yep. Nice cabinet work too. Of course, pull out trash.
Double trash.
With the cutting board.
Cutting board.
Like that. I love my kitchen, so I have my accessories. Got your 4-burner oven. Nice big residential size. Plenty of room. Definitely could cook turkey in there.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, actually, that's bigger than what I thought.
Yeah. So,
okay.
GE residential microwave, which is nice. Easy to replace these kind of units.
Yeah.
Little storage above and alongside. Same with below. You get your storage on the sides. So plenty of counter space. Your side by side with your drawer for your freezers. It is all strapped up, so I'm not going to open it.
But it is an Everchill, if anybody knows what that is, with the smart control on it. So, sounds fancy.
It does. And more storage. Pantry on the side. Pantry. All adjustable. So, and you can take down and have a coat hanger if you want.
Yeah. And you got plenty of storage up there. Can you reach it, babe?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, come on, baby. Yeah.
And step stool will be needed.
Yes. More there.
Lots of open storage here. You do get your
TPS monitoring system. Perfect.
Like that. And again, another wide open storage down below.
Yeah, because usually that's where they stick the fuse box, which, did we even end up finding? Is it down there?
Is it down there? I think it's right there, babe.
Sounds good.
Yep. The island, nice. Both sides has the pop-up. And even with it up,
plenty of room to walk.
Plenty of room to walk through.
Plenty.
Plenty of room. So, and then over on this side, you have your entertainment storage up top.
Yes.
And there is peekaboo storage behind.
Oh, peekaboo. I can. Peekaboo.
Got a little peekaboo. And then down here, more storage under here.
Yes.
So if you have a gaming unit, that can lay down in there, no problem.
Yep.
This, how did this, out.
Yep, out.
Look at this little secret hiding spot.
Yes. There's plenty of storage in this kitchen.
Lots.
On top of another flip-up countertop on the other side.
Which is just great because, man, all that storage.
I mean, really.
Spot,
yeah. Insane. You got your theater seating.
Yep, all electric.
All electric.
USB charge point there. Very comfortable. Like it a lot. Your 4 chairs. These 2 do fold down so they can store away. And you have your storage underneath. Yeah,
utensil storage.
Take that out of the kitchen, out of the way.
Big windows. They do have day and night shades, but it is still so very new that we can't get them to separate, and we don't want to mess anything up.
No. Up top, you have your little ladder that comes out. You do have full storage up top.
Okay, I'm going to try to one-hand climb up here without... Oh, yeah, babe?
Yeah, babe.
Okay, thanks for the assist.
Got you.
Obviously, TV can go in there. Plenty of cubbyhole storage. Not very tall here.
Littles.
I'd say definitely for littles. If I had to guess, it's at least maybe 2.5 to close to 3 feet. Not even. Yeah, probably 2 foot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out of the way, and then go back into your second bedroom.
Yep, your back bedroom. That is a perfect bed. The lights come on. You got your little shelving right here. And then, oh yeah, boom, blue light and white.
Yeah, one
I
of
like
those lights up top as well.
Yes. Okay.
And then your storage on this side, you have your, both sides have a closet with your hanging rod.
Yep. Hold on
And
one
then-
second, beautiful. I'm going to. Where is the light switch?
I don't know.
Oh.
I see a thermometer or a thermostat.
Oh, here. Maybe
Outside
here.
the room.
No.
Okay.
What in the?
Okay, not quite sure where those are.
How is that possible? Okay.
Anyway.
If anybody happens to know, tell us in the comments.
Where to go?
Or is that it?
No,
No, that's
extra things for your AC.
OMG.
I don't know, baby.
Okay,
That's
well,
fine.
it's for the kids anyway, so who cares?
Exactly.
They're on their own.
Yeah.
But look at that. Oh, wow. I didn't realize
Lots
how
of
deep that
storage.
one was.
Yeah, this goes
Yeah.
all the way to the floor and back.
Yep.
And then you have the 4 drawers in the middle.
And it's
So-
the good drawing, right? The dovetail?
Yes,
Is that
the
what we talked about?
dovetail.
Oh, yeah.
solid wood dovetail style, so this
Sweet.
will hold a lot of weight
Yep.
and
And
wear and tear.
there's the other one that we were talking about. I'm sorry about the lighting.
We are
We feel like,
baffled.
is it in the bathroom? Well, there was a motion down here.
fan vent. Nope. Nope. So it's all
I'm
good.
very, whatever.
And then you have your second bathroom, full shower,
Full shower. And this,
is tall.
I mean,
It goes-
Shaquille O'Neal could fit in this bitch. I mean, sorry. I'm so bad. Whatever. You can edit that out. Somehow, some way.
Back out to your living area, and we'll go up top to the master section. Top bathroom, plenty of room, fancy dancy shower head. Love the shower head, but lots of room, lots of head height.
Yep.
So, because I'm 5'6" without shoes, I've got heels on today, so a little taller. Plenty of vanity space.
Mm-hmm. Down there, you got your storage on the side,
Yep.
which is actually pretty deep.
So,
You got your little toilet paper holder.
mm-hmm. Plenty of room. And then up into the master.
Perfect.
Ah. Lots of room in here. We like how there's extra space on the side, like a little wider. You'll have a good, probably, I would say at least 12 inches.
Oh, at least,
At
definitely.
least 12 inches on the side,
Most
so I
certainly.
can fit through no problem.
Yep.
Same with that side.
Yeah, your little storage in the wall there.
Yep. Yeah,
And again, your shelving.
top, and then your light up top
Lovely.
with one's additional on there, which is nice.
Motions.
Big,
Yeah.
big hanging area. I like that. Love the lighting on the rail and the motion light. Pops
Yep.
right on.
Motion lighting. Good.
Lots of room.
Lots of room. Then your washer and dryer prep here, which is very deep. That's actually a very big
Very
room.
big.
It's
is.
deceiving.
It is. So lots of room in there, so if you want to have that.
Yeah.
And you have a little side 4 drawer. Nice.
Big, deep drawers.
Big deep. And then this slides out.
Yeah, your hideaway.
So you have that in there, so you can get little goodies.
And your guns.
TV top mounted up there.
Yes.
And of course, we didn't show this in the other room, but both beds have drawers underneath. Instead of lifting that big heavy mattress up,
Yep.
you have to pull drawers, and then you have outside access
Yeah,
underneath
it
this
has-
whole section.
Yes. If the rain slowed down a little bit, we will go out and show you the outside also. I think it did.
I think so too, babe.
But
Yep.
all right, so let's, I guess, take a walk outside real quick.
Yeah.
It's just misting. We can survive. But like we said, this is the East to West Ahara 390DS, a 4-season package with the Asdel siding. And this is, I mean,
That's your
Jesus,
understorage.
you could sleep in this damn thing
Oh
if
my
you
God,
wanted
yeah,
to.
I mean, I can fit in here no problem.
Yeah, that is insane. Looks like you got an outside TV
TV.
ability.
Yep. So.
Oh, your
outside water.
outside shower if you needed.
Mhm. And then your ladder for the back.
Yeah,
You got your propane in the front.
yeah, I'll show that real quick. Absolutely.
Dual side, so this is on both sides.
Yep, and you've
So-
got hydraulic
Yep, hydraulic system.
leveling.
which is nice.
Oh, he left the truck connected for us. Well, that is nice.
Front storage.
Yes.
And your back pass through.
Okay, yep, there's all your city water hookups and
Yep.
your flush valves, and
Yeah.
that is actually quite nice too.
And instant water.
Yep, instant hot water, beautiful.
Yeah.
And then here's some of the specs for you. I don't know how easy it'll be, but
Oh. But that's it.
that is it. Yeah, 'cause